कि मत खेलो फ्री फायर, नहीं तो एजुकेशन करने की खत्म हो जाएगी आपकी डिजायर। अगर आप खेलोगे पबजी तो आपको लाइफ में बेचनी पड़ेगी सब्जी। सो
bribe. Many of them using bribe around 8 to 25 lakh, and they didn't know the how to read the correct sentences. Go in government schools, not about in Delhi. I'm not disrespecting any teacher who is hardworking or good minded or whatever, but I'm not disrespecting.
BF, they are saying he's my GF, they are saying he's my best friend, BF, best friend. Arey bhaiya, ladies and gentlemen, what are you doing? Why are you all wasting your time?
Today we are going to have the debate session on the topic mobile phones should be allowed in the school or not. Some of you believe that yeah, mobile phones should be allowed because it is the experience you like calling to someone or somebody. There could be the need of calling someone or somebody. So that's why there could be an emergency as well. So some of you believe yes, mobile phones should be allowed in the school. Some of you believe no, it should not be allowed in the school. So here we are going to have the debate. So first of all, let me tell who wants to come here on the stage for debating on this topic. Is there somebody who wants to come on the stage? Raise. You want to come. Okay. Let's give an energetic warm welcome to the one and only Nigam ke liye जोरदार तालियां. So Nigam, what you want to speak? Mobile phones should be allowed in the school or not?
Sir, according to me, in my opinion, I would like to say that mobile phones should not be allowed in the school.
So Nigam wants to support yeah, mobile phones should not be allowed in the school, right? That's what you want to say. Okay, why do you believe that mobile phones should not be allowed in the school? Introduce yourself and go ahead.
So splendid good evening to one and all. This is me Nigam in front of you all. How are you all guys? How are you all guys? Oh, that's great. First of all, I would like to say thanks to my both of sir, Mr. Suraj sir and Mr. Sanjeev sir for having me this golden opportunities, as well as I would like to thank all the viewers, all the spectators, all the audience, all the companions and all my dear friend who all are present over here. Today I'm having fantastic, fantabulous, marvelous, tremendous, grandiose, grandiloquent, splendid, wonderful, beautiful, and supercalifragilisticexpialidocious session. And that supercalifragilisticexpialidocious session name is debate session. And our topic name is mobile phones should be allowed in school or not. And I will support mobile should not be allowed in the school.
So why do you think? Could you speak one point? Mobile phones should not be allowed in the school.
So I would like to say that mobile phone should not be allowed in the school, because just because of going in the school, children are going in the school, students are going in the school for the sake of educating themselves, not for chatting, not for meeting. You know guys, so many I am able to observe, I am able to notice, so many children are there, so many students are there, they are going in the class, when their teachers are teaching them, they are using mobile phone. You can take the example of this man. This man is also, guys, observe. So guys, I would like to say, so many students are there, their focus is distracting.
So as Nigam has mentioned about it or said about it, like people are just going to get distracted, going to get deviated from their established path just because of you taking the mobile phone in the school, because they are not going to focus on studying, they are going to focus on chatting on Facebook, on Instagram, instead of focusing on education. The purpose of education of going in the school is not going to be fulfilled. So here, who wants to speak? Who wants to go against of Nigam? Nigam has said about it. Mobile phones should not be allowed, and there is a also valid point he has spoken about it, because people are just going to get distracted, deviated from their established path. So who is there who wants to be against of Nigam? Okay, so let's give an very warm welcome to the one and only Prince के लिए जोरदार तालियां. Who is going to be the support? Who is going to say that mobile phone should not be should be allowed or should not be allowed?
Should be allowed.
Should be
At a particular age.
allowed in the school. So yes, introduce yourself and go ahead.
Myself, Prince. Myself, Prince. Good evening to all. Splendid. Good evening to all, and thank you, Suraj sir and Sanjeev sir, for giving me this golden opportunity. I would like to say, of course, mobile phone should be given to the student, or after at the age of 14 or 15, in ninth or 8th, 10th class. It depend upon the student ability, capability. It's not upon like children is child is not obey teachers and parents. If student not obey the teacher or parents, they should not allow the mobile phone. But sincere student or a capable student, minded intelligent student should be given mobile phone for their growth. because many of the government schools teachers are poor quality, and facilities are not well. Even in tuition, even in coaching, nearby coaching are not good enough to get quality of education. So many of teachers are in YouTube who provide quality education on YouTube, free of cost. So I think that would be a golden charm, or that would be a golden chance to get a free of cost education or a quality education from YouTube. So that's the one of the reason behind students should give phone, or and one another reason, of course, safety, because girls are not safe.
Let me clear one thing. As you have mentioned about it, mobile phones should be allowed in the school. He has said about it, mentioned about it. Like if mobile phones are just going to be allowed in the school, so many teachers are there. They are not well qualified. That's what you have said, right? So that's why there should be the compulsory for using the mobile phone. Are you all listening? Are you all ears? So listen attentively, otherwise you would not be able to do the debate or participate in the debate. So as you have mentioned about it, like so many teachers in the coaching, they are not well qualified. In the school, so many teachers are there, they are not well qualified. That's why you have said about it, because so many teachers are there on YouTube, right? You have said about it. It is invalid point. If people are going to carry the, then you will also say people should not go to the school because there are not well qualified teachers. You would start saying, what is the exchange of going to the school? People by being at home, they can study, educate themselves. That's what would you say? If people are going in the school, so there should be the respect of teachers. Am I right? There should be the respect of teacher. There should be the prestige of teachers. Like you are going in the school, and if you are going to ask, not going to ask anything from the teachers, you are going to be egoistic person. Like you would say, yes, I know everything, because in the blink of an eye, I will use my mobile phone and will find the solution. There is the disrespect of the teachers. Wouldn't there be the disrespect of the teachers? So it is invalid point. I don't agree with this point. So speak another point if you have.
सर इसका अगेंस्ट में बोल सकते हैं. So as you know, India is a corrupt country, and many of the teachers are filling form and paying the मतलब क्या बोलते हैं उसको, घूस को नहीं anyone, but I am thinking about the villager, or a teacher who is teach their student in village, or where area where education is literally an expensive thing. So I am talking about this. And even in government school, in many of the area, teachers are not well educated, or even not able to read the single sentences in small classes like primary classes. So that's my point. I'm not disrespecting anyone or any other teachers वगैरह. YouTube is a gold. Sir, मैं कुछ नहीं बोलता.
As Prince wants to say that gold mine of a good opportunity is always near you, right? And you are having golden opportunity because of using your mobile phone. But why are you saying that to use that mobile phone at your school, in your school? It's not valid point, I think. It's invalid point. Like using mobile phone in the school, the main motive for going in the school, what is the main motive to go in the school? Teachers would be there and they would be solving your problems. And in education, if you are going to be taught anything, so teachers are there to teach you, right? And if you are going to use your mobile phone, you think that, yeah, I have mobile phone, so at that time you are going to be egoistic, because you are not going to respect your teachers. Are you going to give the prestige to your teacher? No, you are not gonna get prestige to your teachers, because you would think always in your mind, that would be in your mind, in less than no time, into 6 of lamb sale, I would be having the solution of it, because I don't need to ask from the teachers. At the time you would become egoistic person. What about the respect of teachers? What about if mobile phones are going to be allowed in the school? What about the respect, prestige of the teachers? There is no respect. Are you getting or not? There would be no value of teachers. Nobody would love to ask from the teachers in the school. If students have gone in the school for educating themselves, so at that time, if they are not going to ask from the teachers, you are saying mobile phones should be there, because well qualified teachers are on mobile phones, right? They can watch on YouTube any question, any answer, and they can educate themselves. So what is the exchange of, what is the purpose of going to the school? By being at home, they can study themselves, they can educate themselves. So if they are going in the school, so teachers should be there, well qualified teachers should be there. You cannot say that no, mobile phones should be allowed. This is how so many negative sides are there. People are just going to use the mobile phone for the purpose of Facebook, for the purpose of talking with their friends. What about that? What about that? What is the guarantee about it that students are not going to use the Facebook? What is the guarantee about it that students are not going to use the WhatsApp? What is the guarantee about it that students are not going to make reels on Instagram? What is the guarantee about it that students are going to focus on education? No, no, students are not going to focus. By being at home, you must have witnessed, you must have seen many times that students are not focused at their home. In their home, they are not focused. Are they focused? No, they are not focusing at their home. And they are scolded, chastised by their parents that focus on studies, focus on studies, focus on studies, and give me your mobile phone. I have spent money on you, on your education. I have been paying your fees, your school fees, your tuition fees, but you haven't been focusing on your education. Why have I been earning money? Why am I working very harder? Why am I being sedulous, industrious, plodding, and hardworking? Fathers say that. Am I right? So many parents are fed up with their life. Why? Because students are not focusing. Students are not focusing on the education. On the education. Students are not focusing on the education which they are supposed to focus on, which they are supposed to focus. But students are not going to be focused on the education. Why? Because of using the mobile phone. So many students are going to get distracted, deviated from their established path. Why? Because mobile phones are going to be, if mobile phones are going to be allowed in the school, so I think mobile phones should not be allowed. According to the point has been spoken from the side of Nigam, it is valid point, but it is not. It is not appearing valid point from your side. Yeah, go ahead.
Mind my word, I say at a particular age or a particular class. I'm not saying about कि primary के वाले बच्चों को you should give a mobile phone. And if they are mature, if they are understand that they are poor and they are not having enough money to buy or मतलब, regular expenses, so I think that should be given a mobile phone because of the learning issues, not about the qualities. I'm not about the saying about ki mobile phone is a distracting thing, but one more thing is that mobile phone provide you safety. Mobile phone can you should use by contacting your nearby relatives or parents or brother sister whatever. The thing is, and second thing is education, and third thing is like everyone are using mobile phone for distracting themselves. They are also using mobile phone as an asset for making their tool for creating educational purpose videos or experimental videos like Indian hacker or crazy xyz. They are doing experiments. ठीक है, whatever they learn, they try to do experiment on and upload them to on the video on YouTube, so that will help in their learning series. So I think that is the reason behind it. And of course sir said that people are children are using for short and reels, making short and reels, so that would also one of the reason for distracting. But after school they will use in home. जाहिर सी बात है सर, तो वो तो हो गई. So that is the point.
Therefore, as you have said about it, there should be the particular age. Maturity should be there inside of the people, not immaturity. What is the age of maturity?
14 to 15.
14 to 15. तो आप लोगों को पता होगा 14 से 15 साल के बाद जो बच्चे होते हैं वो किस में जाते हैं, या तो करियर बनाना चाहते हैं या तो फिर रिलेशनशिप में आ जाते हैं, राइट? अब तुम्हें लगता है 14 से 15 के साल के बीच में जब वो बच्चे रिलेशनशिप में आ रहे हैं, या जो लोग, छोड़ो सब बात को छोड़ो, जिनके पास जीएफ है, जिनके पास जीएफ है और या बीएफ है, तो तुम्हें लगता है वो फोकस करेंगे अपनी स्टडीज पर? वो कहाँ पर बिजी रहेंगे? वेयर वुड दे बी बिजी? दे वुड बी बिजी, दे वुड बी ऑक्यूपाइड इन डूइंग दोज वर्क विच इज नॉट बेटर, राइट? They would keep on getting distracted. Wouldn't they keep on getting distracted? Of course. They would keep on getting distracted. They would keep on getting deviated from their established path. They would not be able to focus on their education, on their qualification, right? They would not be able to focus,
Depend upon
right?
the person how they are using mobile phone or an asset or making girlfriend or boyfriend. It depends
So,
upon the person.
and another
Not-
thing, first
not
of all,
ideal.
if the motive of going in the school is to study at that time, if mobile phones are going to be allowed, so why, if mobile phones are going to be allowed in the school, so at that time they will keep on thinking about using the mobile phone, and they will use, and there would be no respect of the teachers. If there is the main motive, you are saying that for making their career they are supposed to carry the mobile phone in the school. If they are going to carry the mobile phone in the school, so they are not going to respect the teachers. The first point. And if mobile phones are not going to be allowed, they know that they have to focus on their education. It is clear in their mind.
In colleges you have seen mobile phone is allowed, but the time of at the time of class mobile phone should be on silent mode. So I think that would be a solution for in school, same as in college or same as in school. You should try for that. So that's my point and nothing more than that. Of course they are using as a distracting thing or whatever they like to making bf or gf, whatever the, if you are not giving them phone they also doing the same thing with the nature is always constant. Okay, it's depend upon the person to person how they using and how they are not using their mobile phone. Like we are here and we are using this class as an asset. We matlab take any message from this class or in every class, and where one student who didn't want to study or not is interested in learning from anything. So it depend upon the person to person. um,
So, guys, I would like to say one thing, that so many people are there, so many students are there, so many children are there. What are they doing actually in the class? They are entering in the class and they are saying, Free Fire खेलेंगे, PUBG खेलेंगे. They are talking with their friends, they are talking with their companions. Will you play Free Fire with me right now? Right now, sir is not coming. Let's play Free Fire. मैं ये बोलूंगा कि मत खेलो फ्री फायर, नहीं तो एजुकेशन करने की खत्म हो जाएगी आपकी डिजायर. अगर आप खेलोगे पबजी तो आपको लाइफ में बेचनी पड़ेगी सब्जी. सो गाइस, इन दिस जनरेशन व्हाट इज हैपनिंग? व्हाट इज हैपनिंग? Will they focus on their education? Will they focus on their graduation? Will they focus on their qualification? Answer will be no. The answer will be no. They will not play because they are using mobile phone. They are chatting with their BF. They are chatting with their GF. What are they doing actually? Sometime your brother will call you in the class. Sometime your sister will call you. And sometime your GF will also call you. Grandfather. Your grandfather will also call you again and again, over and over. Hey, where are you? It means you will be get disturbed. At your BF, best friend. Your BF will call you again and again. At that time, you will not be able to focus, concentrate your mind on education, on your graduation, on your qualification. You will not think something about this nation because you are just wasting your time just because of this smartphone, just because of these cell phones, just because of this mobile phone, just because of this social media. I will say, no, 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 it should be banned. It should be banned in the heartbeat, in 2 seconds of Plumstead, in the blink of an eye, at the drop of the hat in less than no time. It should be banned immediately in school. If anybody is taking, if anybody is caring mobile phone with that person, then that person will focus on only Instagram. He will, watch the reels. He will watch the YouTube. What is happening? But he will not concentrate his mind on blackboard, on whiteboard. If you are having any kind of doubt, people keep on saying, I am having doubt, so I should ask from AI, I should ask from Google. Then what is the meaning by teacher? What is the meaning of teacher? You should ask from your guru. You should ask from your teachers. Sir, could you please tell me this doubt? I'm having this doubt. I'm having this confusion. I'm having this doubt. I'm having this problem. Could you please make me understand? And what are you doing? You're going on Google. You are searching on Google. What is the meaning of this word? Can't you ask from your teachers? Can't you ask from your confusion, illusion, any confusion? If you're having any confusion, any doubt, any problem, any issue, you must ask from your teachers. They will make you understand in a better way, in a superior way. Instead of searching on YouTube, instead of searching on Google, instead of searching on AI, then what is the meaning of teacher, first of all? Let me know and tell me. Guys, ladies and gentlemen, what is the meaning of teacher? Teacher means a person who is having a lots of knowledge. That is called a teacher. That person is known as a teacher. So I would like to say, if you're having any kind of doubt, immediately go to your teachers instead of searching on YouTube. And nowadays, what is happening? They are going in the school. What are they doing? They are making reels. They are posting on Instagram. They are saying, he's my BF. They are saying, he's my GF. They are saying, he's my best friend, BF, best friend. Arey bhaiya, ladies and gentlemen, what are you doing? Why are you all wasting your time? Just think something about your father. Your father is paying the school fees. Your father is paying the tuition fees. He's burning midnight oil for yourself, for your career, for your future. He's really leaving no stone unturned for yourself, only for you, only for making your future right and bright. And what are you doing? You are wasting your time. You are killing your time on Instagram, on YouTube. Why are you going to school? You are going to school not for the sake of mobile phone, for the sake of educating yourself in a better way, in a proper way, in a superior way, in an amazing way, in a fantastic way. So, guys, it is my point. Now, what's your opinion and perspective? Let me know.
I'm totally agree with you.
Is I would like to say, all the audience, all the companions, all the viewers who all are watching me, who all are listening to me carefully and attentively, stop using mobile phone. Stop using mobile phone. Stop using mobile phone in the school. Stop using mobile phone in the tuition. Because this is the wasting of time. If you are using mobile phone in institute, in tuition, in school, it means you are wasting your time. You cannot make your future right and bright. You cannot shine like a sun because